Hello, Green Team Science. This is Mr. Rollins. What I'm going to show you here is how to keep a lab notebook. Okay, this will come in handy during any lab. This is the only reason you have a notebook. Most of the stuff we do is digital, but this is the only reason we have a lab notebook is to record information, okay, from your labs, unless otherwise directed by me. Maybe it might be vocab, but for this lab notebook. Okay. I just used a small one here, just the example I jotted down. Obviously yours is a one subject composition, make sure it's one subject. What you do on the first page, okay, good, a table of contents. Let me see how that looks. Okay, so in the table of contents, your first lab is the scientific method lab. You leave extra pages. You do not write down, leave extra pages, okay? I would say at least 5 minimum, maybe more. Okay, so my table of contents, you set that up on the front page. Your first lab, number 1, is the scientific method lab. Got it? Okay. Now, let's flip here. So I flip a couple pages in because I made a table of contents. Okay. Your first lab. Title. Number 1, scientific method lab. Then you put what the lab is. Example I used was paper airplane lab. Some of you are doing paper towels, some of you are doing exercise, some of you are doing your own. Okay, so the title of the lab itself and the title of the lab. Question or problems next, that could be, whatever you've decided on. Hypothesis, again, just part in your group. Materials, bullet, okay, those items right here. Bullet the items as you're doing it. Just list them all like a shopping list. Procedure, it needs to be numbered. This is where the sketching comes into play, drawing, and record your information. So record observation. So you can draw, if you're doing the airplanes, the sketch the airplanes, how long they are, what they look like, what design you use. The more you put on there, the better you are. It's going to make your life easier. And the last piece is just the data table, okay, because you're not writing your conclusion in here, you're just writing your data, okay. Observations put in the data table as well, data you've recorded. Remember, data table comes first. Make sure it's made before you do this lab. Any questions, as always, see me, email me, ask me, but this is what that should look like. And again, as we go along and do more and more labs this year, this is the format we're going to use. So that you can use many pages as you want, totally up to you per lab, but you need a lab notebook. Thank you, and have a great day. Mr. Rollins is out.